Welcome, today in front of me Xiaomi 12 Pro, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should select the screen where you want to add the widget, and then after that just hold for a while the screen or just swipe with your two fingers at the center at the same time, and after that you'll see here the widgets icon. Just click here, and now we can see all the available widgets that we can add to our device screen. For example, we can go with the clock. Here we can see there's 3 different type of clocks here. For example, we can go with the first one, just hold for a while and drag it to the position where you want to add this widget. If you want, you can move this widget here on the screen, just hold for a while and drag it by this way. Or also we can create this the new screen with this widgets. So also we can add here more widgets if you want. For example, we can add the calendar shadow or a regular one. Just click once here. If you want, we can also change the positions of this widget, create the new screen, move between the screens by this way. And if you want, also we can just change the size of this widget, so we can make it smaller or bigger if you want. And as can you see, that's really simple. And if you want to remove the widget, just hold it for a while and click to remove icon by this way. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.